If your shoulder workouts are taking longer than 20 minutes, I would almost guarantee you that you are not training your shoulders hard enough. These balloon method workouts are meant to be way more intense. They're a hell of a lot more fun, and they're gonna shock your body into much faster results. So do this routine 2 to 3 times per week, and you are going to blow up your shoulders. Now let's get right into the first exercise, and I love starting my shoulder workouts with this exercise called 6 ways. Now, if you've seen my shoulder workout videos with Charles Glass, you may have seen this move. And the beauty of this exercise is it forces you to go really light. You're working your shoulders from a variety of angles, and you're gonna get a massive pump in your front and your side delts. So think about starting off doing a lat raise, then you're coming across your body right in front of your face, then you're elevating, you're coming back down slow and controlled, you're going back out to the side of your body, and then you're going back down slow and controlled. 6 different moves in one move. So by doing 8 repetitions of this, you're actually forcing your body to go for about 30 to 45 seconds time under tension. Start off this workout with a bang, really get that epic pump in the shoulders, and you guys are gonna see some great results. I want you guys to perform 3 total sets of this, 45-second rest time, 8 repetitions. That's going to ensure that you are maximizing your time under tension, because remember, light weights and heavy weights build muscle. It's all about combining both, adding intensity techniques. That's what these balloon method workouts are all about. Now remember, this is going to last less than 20 minutes. Start a stopwatch, go through this whole routine the exact way that I recommend it. I guarantee you, you're gonna be in and out of your shoulder workout in less than 20 minutes. Do me a favor, guys, give this video a big like and make sure you tap the notification bell, because we're covering every single muscle group with the balloon method training series. You guys are gonna love this move. I call it freestyle farmer's walks. 3 total sets of this, but each set is unique. Now, the first variation technically isn't a farmer's walk, although you are carrying a weight and walking around with it. I want you to grab a 45-pound plate, or if you're not strong enough for that, a 25 or a 35-pound plate, extend it up as high as you can, so you put extra activation right on the side and front delts. I want you to walk back and forth for 45 total seconds. Now, right when you're done, that same plate, you're gonna overhead press it for as many reps as possible, ideally for another 15 to 20 total repetitions. Now, between the farmer's walk freestyle sets, you're only resting 60 total seconds. Now, the second farmer's walk freestyle variation is probably my favorite mass builder superset for the side delts. Now, once again, you're gonna be doing a farmer's walk. I know I've showed you this in multiple videos, so I want you to grab the weight and bring your hands out a little bit from your body, so you put extra activation right on the side delts. 45 seconds, you're walking with this weight. Now, this is gonna really pre-fatigue your shoulders. What I want you to do is grab that same heavy weight and do little quarter rep lat raises. So you're not doing a full lat raise, you're going really heavy, partial range of motion, and this move right here is going to blow up your side deltoids. I know John Meadows talks about this move a lot. Such a great mass building exercise. Do 8 to 10 reps immediately after that farmer's walk set. The third farmer's walk freestyle is farmer's walk. Once again, 45 seconds time under tension. Shrug those shoulders out, activate the delts. Of course, you're gonna activate the traps a little bit. And the superset is going to be dumbbell lat raises. Now, I prefer to slightly internally rotate my shoulders. That's just the way that I learned from Charles Glass, aka the godfather of bodybuilding. I told you guys why I do this in my video, Light Dumbbell Shoulder Workout with Charles Glass. So if you want to check that video out and understand the biomechanics on why I work my shoulders like this, feel free, I'll link it down in the description below. But I just feel more of an activation right on my delts doing this. Feel free to do it the other way if you want, but I'm slightly internally rotating. I'm using lightweight, and I'm going 12 to 15 repetitions immediately after those farmer's walks. Now, before I get into the final exercise, do me a favor, vote down below what balloon method workout you want to see next. Of course, we are covering every single muscle group in the series, but do you want to see triceps? Do you want to see lats, traps, or quads? So triceps, lats, traps, or quads, vote down below, and that will be the next balloon method training series video. Last but not least, we're going with our heavy overload sets. Now remember, lifting heavy is a very crucial part of the balloon method. This is mechanical overload. Of course, you want to lift heavy and get stronger to build any muscle group. Now, instead of starting our workout with the hardest exercise, with the exercise that we are lifting the most weight, we're actually gonna do this at the end of our workout when our muscles are already fatigued. Now, the beauty of this, it's gonna shock your body. It's gonna give your shoulders something that they're not accustomed to. So I did barbell overhead press. Now, I would typically do a lot heavier weight on my working sets, I was all the way down to 145. Now, I want you to do sets of 4 to 6 repetitions on the barbell overhead press. Pay very close attention to where my grip is on the bar. This is where it feels most comfortable for me based on my arm length. Of course, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate grip length for your arm length, but I like slightly inside shoulder width apart. So 4 to 6 reps, nice and heavy, controlling the weight on the eccentric. The superset on this is going to blow up your delts. You're going to pick a heavy pair of dumbbells, dumbbell alternate overhead press, an incredible delt activator, sort of a compound move in its own right. So you're gonna go alternate overhead press with heavy dumbbells right after the barbell overhead press. Once again, 4 to 6 repetition range. So we're combining 2 different supersets, heavy overload on both these supersets, and I want you guys to rest 90 seconds between these sets, 3 total sets. By lifting heavy at the end of your shoulder workout, it's gonna be so much more intense, it's gonna blow up those deltoids. Now, if your goal is to lose fat faster and get an unfair advantage in creating a calorie deficit, or you want to gain muscle and burn fat at the same time, then Superhuman Burn is for you. It's a 2-in-1 fat burning pre-workout that amplifies how many calories you burn. Join the thousands of superhumans getting shredded faster with Superhuman Burn.